Hey guys, Bing here. Today I'm going to quickly talk about share coordinates. Okay, so this is useful when when you need to use link Revit file or link CAD into your project. So here I have three Revit files. So the first one is a site plan, a master plan. So that's only like some title boundary here, and the other two, building A and building B, is just a building, a Revit file for each building. So first, let's open this site plan, and I'm going to link the building A and the building B into this site plan. So go insert link Revit, and I'm going to pick the building A and center to center. That's okay, and open. So see, this building A is here. So now you can move it or rotate it or adjust the height. And once it's in the location, so you can tell this Revit file where it is. So what you need to do is go to manage coordinates and publish coordinates and click on this linked Revit file. I'll just use this one and click OK. So now if you click on save this site plan, so save, and it will ask you, do you want to save the new position back into this linked Revit file? Yes. Okay, so now it's all done. So if I for some reason I delete this link, remove link, and if I go to insert manage link, so see there's nothing linked, and then I need to link the building A again, and this time you can select by share coordinates and open. So you can see the building A automatically go to this location and also rotate. And also if you need to move this building to adjust this location, and it will ask you, do you want to save the new location? If the answer is yes, save now, or you can just, like here it says, you can save the link later via manage link down. So you can just click OK. You can just adjust it, rotate it, and okay, let's say this is a final location, and then you can go insert manage link and click on this link and save position, and this time save and OK. So now this will be the new location of the building. Let's quickly try do the building B as well. So link Revit. So building B, where here. So the first time you will use some from this one, not other than the share coordinates. So this time maybe internal origin to internal origin and open. And then the building B is here. Maybe I need to move it here and rotate it. Okay, so let's say here, and then what you do is go manage coordinates, publish, click on that one, and you can still use this one now. I'm not quite sure, so yeah, I'll just use this one and okay, and then save, and then save. So now this building B is in this location, and also the information of the locations go into this Revit file. So if I delete this one and link it again, so this time here, and then you can use share coordinates and open, and would go automatically here. And okay, so now let me save this file. If so, for example, some people is working in building A, and they don't have that title boundary in that file, this building A file, but they want to know where it is. So let's just open this building A, and so if I want to know where the title boundary is, so I just need to go insert Revit link and pick this site, and then just use the share coordinates and OK. And then the following list will not appear. So this is far. This is not relevant. It's telling you about building bay. So close it. So see, so Revit will automatically rotate this the title boundary. So just the linked side Revit file to match the location of the building. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, if you have any question, let me know. If you yeah, because I'm still new to this, we don't use much of this. So yeah, let me know if you have any question or any idea or better solution, or if I did something wrong, please let me know. Thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye.